kitchen, in welcoming everybody that has something to make this festival realize, and Haida and Geneva and everybody who try to connect us to each other.
Can you put the mic?
Yeah. Actually, I'm trying to little bit pass the time till the couple is coming to show me my presentation, which is more than 250 pages that talking about how masculinity arose during the history, and also how this triangle of state, patriarchy, and capitalism have been connected as a chain to each other. And we have to break this chain. Women try to break this chain. How? By education, by listening to them, even by breaking the silenceness of men. Because mostly the men, they don't talk. When men talk, they talk about things out of them. So they never talking about themselves. They always talking about something else. So this is very, very important to be done. We tried a lot, and I can say that mainly we succeed to that. So how we approach to the history in the view of ژنۆلۆژی? In the view of ژنۆلۆژی, we can approach history as the history of a struggle between two rivers.